People, welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to drop the long-awaited mathematics of scamming video. The mathematics of scamming. Long time I tell them to say, the idea that to stop scamming, and if you give the youth them like one social intervention program or you like get them on work, them are going to stop scam. This is why I can't really reason with Irish accents, you know. Just simple folk. Guy, understand this. The mathematics is going to show you that your theory is madness. I'm going to break the numbers in full. Forget about economy getting better and all them something there. I'm going to bypass countries like United States, Canada, UK, and them place there. I'm going to talk about an actual rich country. One of them. I'm going to show you say even if Jamaica became that country overnight, from a mathematical point of view, a youth still wouldn't be motivated by no numbers to stop scam. Today, I'm going to talk about Switzerland. Today, we're going to pretend that Jamaica suddenly become Switzerland. We're going to use their standards and their metrics, which is very high. I'm not talking about no get better. I'm not talking about no 5% GDP growth. I'm not talking about rich country. Let me tell you something, guy. Countries like America, UK, Canada, China, India, these places have whole heap of wealth, but also whole heap of poverty. There's a whole section of China where broke and are dead for hungry like Janko. Don't ask me. Go look for yourself. You only hear about Shenzhen and them places and the places are known for manufacturing and all that. Guys, over 1 billion people. Enough man a live like dog. Same thing in India. The poverty where me see. The Indian poverty what me see, nowhere in Jamaica no look so. Indian pitney, are the first pitney, me ever see fly. I'm not talking about 1 or 2 or 10 fly, I mean fly. Just stop pan, itch up pan, and the pitney no dead. Pitney alive and well, and fly and name on the pitney. And people just walk past. It's not normal, guy. But most countries only show you them best sides. Uncle Sam have some area there where you have to pinch yourself. If you remember, say you're in the United States of America. Bunch of junky Billy Joes. Barely have not eaten of them mouth. I wonder where them people come from. I said, but hold on, none of them people are Jamaican show. Jamaicans going like say every Billy Joe is so smart and so sophisticated. What kind of Billy Joe this? Duppy Bat me I talk about. Billy Joe Duppy Bat. Enough part of Uncle Sam place. Brother there with sister and your father is also your uncle and he's also your brother and all kind of shit. Vile! Certain part of Germany. Garrison. You might not call Garrison, but 1 bag of people chuck up in a 1 bag of small space. In England, they have some sitting where they call estates. Vile. Be a youth, walk up and down. Sun boiling hot. And the duppy bat them in a jacket. Hoodie over their head. Under the jacket must be sweaty and moldy. Vile. Miggle day. Yo, what kind of duppy bat them here? I'm not tell you about them things at Jamaica. And make it sound like say everybody's so sophisticated and speaks so well. Duppy bat can barely talk English and I'm an Englishman. France, Paris, ghetto. You have to see to believe it. Anybody go to France and show you those the Eiffel Tower and the Louvre and them thing there. Vile. Tell them to show you the real Paris. Me I talk about ghetto. The wall them dirty and marky the place stink. Paris me I talk about, guy. Vile. So every country has them little parts. But there are few nations that are genuinely considered truly wealthy. Switzerland is one of them. And guy, Switzerland has film part too, you know. My film little run down part, you know, but the man tell you say, it's these immigrants who do this. They go there and they come here with their dirtiness. And that them I gonna tell you. Cause then, you know, in Europe, they love blame everything for immigrants. But generally speaking, Switzerland is considered a well-off country. But them various cantons and all kind of bossy style. The average salary in Switzerland is $7,400 US. When they convert it to US, a currency where the whole only can understand. A country where the average salary is over $7,000 US is a country that is not doing too bad for itself. When I say the Uncle Sam place, the average Yankee not really make the money, you know. I just show them a Yankee and when they drop an Iron Man and them have them accent, people think say them are smarty, but your favorite Yankee, your favorite Canadian, your favorite British, your favorite French, and people are going to treat you like you're smarty. I'm just being honest here. I mean, we can't ball me out all in the want and live in denial. I'm just telling you how it works. Enough people in their home country realize say they man on the body. Enough people from abroad love Jamaica, not just because I jerk chicken and the red stripe on them thing there, because they realize so when I start looking frightened people. And when time they drop an Iron Man and them pull out them look accent, and nobody knows when they come from a little dopey bad estate, far away one part in a Birmingham. And we were in one part of Paris. And look at dopey bad part of Paris. You don't know that. You just see man in accent and things say, oh my god, he's doing so well for himself. Start call man sir and mom and all kind of sitting. And don't even call no father sir. That's to be studied. But let's say Jamaica just bingo overnight. The average salary in Jamaica suddenly became $7,000 US. The average salary. The average Jamaican I take home $7,000 US a month. That's over $1 million a month. The average Jamaican. The place bingo. Umbre and him friend them find the formula. The average Jamaican I take home over $1 million a month. Guess what, guy? That still wouldn't be enough to make you stop chop the line. Because an average scammer can bring in $1 million a week. Oh, let's not listen to me. A dopey bad scammer guy, after I'm done aisle up, and go through various rituals, and after I mold the goat, and put the goat back foot them in his pocket, and he rubbered up the goat, and then go wash off himself down at the river and all kind of sitting. He might tell us him can make $1 million in a week, him can book one skull and make $5 million. So now you see the mathematics. Say economics and money can't deter people who have scamming mindset. Because it starts with the mindset, not the hungriness. Because if it was the hungriness, more youth would have scam. So much you would not look no work. So much you would nobody go art. Just think about it now. So much you would nobody go get this and or work down your son and get apprentice. They wouldn't. Them like say, well, time to scam. And they don't. The average Jamaican youth is not a scammer. The average Jamaican youth, the majority of Jamaican youths are not scammers. Because to be a scammer, you need to already start off with a certain mindset and a certain art. You need to be a vile person to turn a scammer. You have to already have a vile and covetous heart to be a scammer. To sit up on the phone with a granny who's up on her deathbed and talk and twist till she send her pension come give her, knowing say after she find out say she lose everything, she go probably drop down and dead. That is a vile individual. You must say a chopper is a cool term for a thief, you know. There are levels to thief, you know. You have the thief who just pick your pocket, them look down upon him. But the scammer who use complex methods to pick somebody's pocket is idolized. But the two of them are thief, you know. A thief is a thief, you know. Well, let's not listen to me. A chopper is a bossy term for a thief. But because thief sound bad and chopper sound cool, them call themselves a chopper. No, you're a thief. Now you can spin it on you want, spin it. You are a thief, sir. Ma'am. You are a sophisticated thief, but a thief nonetheless. It's like a well-educated pedo. It's still a pedo. Like, it doesn't change. Like nothing you do around that doesn't change the outcome. A chopper is a thief. When you deceive somebody out of money where them take how much time to work for, take everything from them, now them mad out and all kinds. And you tell yourself, so, oh, I mean, I say thing, dog, I know my fault in no sense. And you tell yourself these things so you can sleep better at night. And you can feel better about the fact that your heart is corrupt and twisted, you vile Irish Saxon. Right? All these things are mental gymnastics so you feel better about yourself. So $1 million Jamaican dollars a month wouldn't be enough to make a vile chopper stop chop. You know why? Because he would have to work for that $1 million a month. So a chopper who don't have to physically come out of bed to make $1 million in one day is not going to say, oh no, Jamaica is suddenly averaging $1 million a month, let me stop chop. That's not going to happen, guy. Telling youths about if we send them for one course to learn how to mix mortar for one site, then he would stop scamming is ridiculous when he's making more money than the man where I run the site. The man where I do the construction have money in borrow from the bank to build that. Chopper get the money liquid cash with very little effort. So even if he was to become the boss on the site, him still wouldn't get that amount of money for that little work. That is what a scammer loves. Maximum return, minimum effort. All of them effort is spent in deceiving and lying and chatting and twisting people around. Conman style. Gangnam style. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Conman style. So if Jamaicans suddenly start going with $1 million a month and everybody say, Lord of mercy, Jamaica is now Switzerland, the scammer guy will still be looking like still not good enough for me. Cause me have to go work for that $1 million. Me have to go get up and go work. One time I can stay in my room and sit down on a phone, the mathematics is not in favor of your social program, guy. The mathematics is not in favor of if we send him go do one course. Course means study. Study means work. Work means effort. Dedication. These are things Chopper on a time for, guy. When him can just jump on the phone and twist and turn somebody and get $1 million sent to him. Any course we're not talking about involves work, effort, dedication. You think gonna be like, well, me I make $10 million a month now, just lying to people. So let me just give that up. I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna join this program and then study real hard and then work some pass. And after I pass, I go to an apprentice. Then I go work my way up. Guy, you're delusional. As long as scamming is so profitable, scammer guy will scam. It starts with the mindset. Enough you, no matter how much money them hear them friend will chop the line. I make him not do it himself because he doesn't have the mindset. He doesn't have the heart. If he do that to somebody and live and feel good and spend the money, him rather work and make fee more honestly, and then when he must spend it, he feels comfortable. Enough people can't spend eye water money, guy. This is why I'm telling us a culture and mindset. We're gonna keep overlooking it. Enough people can't spend eye water money. Enough people cannot spend money unless them know so them work feet legit and nobody now bad and nobody now mad. Them want work, get them pay and got their yard. Them no want dig out nobody eye. They don't want lie to nobody. They don't want broke nobody foot. They don't want thief nobody pension. Enough people can't do it, guy. No care how you flash money in front of them because they have a different culture. They have a different mindset. They are driven by things like ethics. They are driven by things like principles. Things that a dopey but scammer don't have. This is why he will kill him one friend over one lead sheet. Because anybody who is willing to rob from the most vulnerable people in the country. The very young and the very old and the disabled and the mentally disabled. Them the people that is a different type of vile. Before you become a scammer, you must have the mindset. You must have the heart. If you dig out somebody here, you know, so you take everything from them. Them half mad out and don't care. That's a different type of guy. That the type of Irish Saxon the wickeder than all the junk who fly around in the sky. All the hyena look on in envy. The hyena look on upon that the Irish Saxon and say, chopper guy. That a code. I wish me could have vile like you. And hyenas are vile. But you can't hold it against them. That's how nature make them. They're not the intelligence and the ethics and the principles and the heart and the reasoning ability. But these quote unquote humans supposedly do. It has to be studied. The mathematics don't add up. If economy get better, then youths now go scam. Guy, if the economy turn Switzerland, it still wouldn't be enough to satiate a dopey bad scammer who want to make $1 million off a one phone call without leaving his house. It has to be studied. Your maths not matching, guy. Yeah, so do that. We put him on like one work site and give him like one program. One time, just last month, him make $10 more million a month than the man on the program him answer to. You people are ridiculous. Him go work for one boss. Well, just last month, he make more money than the boss. It's not happening, guy. Anybody tell you that as some little low budget dopey bot scammer would make like one little 10,000, 5,000? And them people they will not talk about. I can't scammer them way. I buck up on some skull way. One day them a collect like 10 million. And them scammer they will not talk. No, I can't them scammer they will not talk. Anyway. I already know some bad man scam a long time, so I shouldn't be surprised. I don't think them come and come drive Lamborghini. I'm not none. No. Bad man time. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.